Now we're in this 2000 and look at this bed. This is a 59-inch wide, and I think it's 73 long. And this is the crap that they give you. 3/8. I think it's 3/8. No, I think it's 1/4 inch. It's only got 2 plies. And this is what's keeping you up. These boards are only glued here and about down there. They're not mounted on the railing down there, the board that crosses. And they're not mounted on this board. So you could sit on this and probably fall to the floor. But that's its thickness of its board. Really crappy. Okay, we're going to rebuild this to make it strong. Okay, this is the bed in my 21 foot, and you can see that board is about 7/8 thick, and that molding fits it real snugly. And this is the bed in my 2002 Bounder, and you can see this is quite a bit bigger. That board is at least 1 inch thick. Here's what we did. We took the top board that was all over here, and we cut it so that it fit right in this place to divide these two different areas. So we took this board across here and remounted it so that these supports that were on the other say 1/4 inch plywood. By the way, when I took those screws off, they just fell off. That glue did not hold. So we turned those boards, screwed them into these sides here, run them all the way over here so they have support here. Now we have 3 boards in here that are have some support underneath them, and this one over here. And let's see, what else did we do? Okay, you see the board underneath here. That was added to give these things here support. There was no support underneath that. Okay, now we have a solid foundation all the way. I mean, all this is a solid foundation now. And we got this board in here vertically. So now we can add the top. Okay, here we go. I've got one of these sheets. It's 60 inches wide, and it's cut 2 feet. This is the same design as in my 5th wheel. So we're going to lay 2 sheets. We took one of those whole big sheets and we cut it 60 inches wide, and we're going to screw this down with these points here, along here and here. And now this piece is in. We don't have to do anything with this. Now this has been cut very right on 2 feet, and it has been sanded the sides and this part here. This is very good. It's like 7 plies. Okay, this piece is in. Okay, next we're going to put the other half of that big sheet, 60 inches wide. We're going to add this, and it is going to be tied to this other sheet with these existing hinges that it came with. We've got It's like 4 screws on this side of the board and 4 screws on this side of the board. So this is being held together like that, and you can actually lift this corner up here and close it down. Now we have support. Our support is here and over here. So now we need to add the other piece, which will bring this out, and we're going a little bit longer than the other bed. We're going to go 78 inches, and it's going to be the length of that purple mattress stuff. Okay, let's do the other one. Okay, here we go again. We've added this piece. It matches up right here. And underneath, on the other underside of this, we put in this same piece of board like that, and we have a support underneath this edge and this edge here. And we have glue under holding these together, and lots of screws. Okay, the bed is almost done. We need those hydraulic lifts. They're coming in by Amazon, but I can give you a little presentation here. Oh, if I can lift this with one arm. Yeah, there we go. Got it lifted with one arm. This is how I put those 2 sheets together. You had to buy 2 whole sheets of this good stuff. You could use the cheap stuff, but I don't use the cheap stuff. So there you go. They are set. All we got to do is get those hydraulic things and put them together. Oh, 2. And we got lots of room here to scoot by. See me scooting by. Go right on out the door. Now we have something good. Heavy duty. This is the way it is in the 5th wheel and our motorhome. So I don't know why they just put a little tin. I think that was 3/8 piece of, or 1/4 inch piece of plywood. Anyway, be back when I get the struts. Okay, the struts showed up. Got lots of screws. I got 2 sets of these, one for like that and one that's like that. And the struts. And they say to release these so that this is pointing away from you. So that's going to extend when I release those. And now we're going to get them installed. Okay, the instruction said to be careful and put this away from your body. So I'm going to release it now and show you just how it's not real forceful. There you go. That wasn't that bad. Okay, got these 2 struts in. Let me tell you how to install these. Start with this end to where you want it to where it extends to. Set this to the height that you want it. And then screw that right in at its extended length. Same with the other side. And show you how easy this is. Recording. Look, step back. Okay, can you get the bed here and talk?
Yes, I got it.
Okay, we're here. We're going to grab right here and open this thing. Pretty neat, huh?
Cool.
Yeah, with the mattress on it, it's easier to close. I'm going to go out on the step. I'm out on the step, and I'm going to let my wife raise it. Okay, dear. One-handed. Look at that. She is strong.
And close. 2 hands. It's still doable.
Cool. Do that again. Now she's got a secret compartment. Very good. They're supposed to get a longer mattress, so that big purple mattress for whatever reason. Okay, that's it. That concludes the installation of those 2 struts. Thanks for watching.